everybody. Somebody asked how I make the puppy mush, and they want to see me do it and want to see me feed the puppies. So here I got a Pyrex bowl. It's big enough for them. Here I got this little cup full of hot tap water. Here I got some puppy chow mix. That's about to go in the blender. About half of it. And I'm going to blend it up. Alrighty, I saved y'all from all that noise. Y'all know how a blender works. I'm going to pour some of this in there. About half of it. I'm going to put this, 1 scoop of their puppy mix that I will include a picture of, into that cup, and I'm going to shake it. Now I'm just going to pour it on in there. And I'm going to stir it up, but also I'm going to add another cup of warm water and another cup scooper of the mix. Shake it up, put it in here as well. I'm going to start stirring to see the consistency of what I want. I want it more mush and less watery, or less milky, should I say. So I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Probably the rest of it. Right now I'm feeding them 3 times a day. They're eating at 8 a.m., 4 p.m., and midnight. So yeah, that's the consistency I want right there. Kind of mushy. Probably do another week of this, and then I'll make it even more firm as the next couple of weeks go by, and that will be how it progresses. Okay, so all mixed in good. So I'm about to put it down and show y'all them eating. There's the babies going to their mush now. It's Obi, Mando, and Vader. They're 5, little over 5 weeks old. And they will sit there and they'll eat every single bit of that. And then they'll do some business, and then they'll sleep a few hours. And then wake up, play. I know what puppy's life is. Vader over there. He was the smallest one, but he's putting on weight pretty good now. Right along with his Bubba's. And when they're finished eating, I'm put a little bowl of water in there, because that is thicker. It's trying to be thicker. You better get back over there. You better get back over there, Mando. No licking toes. Get back eating. Alrighty, get going. Get going. Oh, he decided he wanted to go around the corner. And y'all, I'm not going to bore y'all. It takes like, I say about a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes for them to eat all of it. So I'll cut here and pick it back up.
Get me a bacon.
That's Daddy over there playing with Opie. I got little Vader on my lap. Oh, he just getting love.
Oh.
Just getting love. You want to go get Daddy? Go get Daddy.
Get my what?
They still eating.
They still eating now. They take the food back again. Uh-oh.
Yep.
Vader, come on. Vader.
Daddy got down on the floor to play with y'all and y'all don't want to play. Oh, Obi, go get, you better get Daddy. Go get him. Go get him. You know,
Vader. Vader. Darth Vader, come here, boy.
I took them out there, a little pen area to bring them in the living room to feed them. So I can clean all the pads up. And then I got to change the cover
Boy,
in their box.
y'all love that carpet right there in front of the door, don't
You better get him. You better get him. Oh, that's Mando. Nah, look at Obi trying to run. Yeah, get him, Obi. Squeaky, squeak, squeak. He said, "Well, that's my toy."
Get it, boy.
Yeah.
Get it, boy. Get it,
Oh
boy.
my.
Get it, boy. Oh, yeah. Get it, boy.
Ha! Yeah, Vader. Yeah, Vader's trying to get my foot. No, Vader. No. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Go get Daddy. You're supposed to get Daddy, not me. Not my toe. You don't want to let go, do we, Daddy? Where you going? Where you going? Kai's not going to be too happy with you, Daddy. She's at the door over there looking.
Oh.
Kai perks up, especially when she hears a squeaker.
Oh, you got it now.
Mando, get him.
Get it. Your little tail wagger. And he got his little donkey. Bring it here. Bring it here, boy.
Take it to Dad.
Uh-oh, where they going? Let me go check.
All right, y'all. Well, that's what we got for y'all. Y'all wanted to see a puppy eat, and yeah. So.
That's your little fatty. Y'all want the little fatty to come home with y'all?
With all that being said, until next time.
You keep it fresh. You keep it fresh, everybody.
Obi.